standing cat-cow is an exercise for stretching and priming the abdominals and erector spinae muscle in your back. I like to use this exercise to prime my core before doing any heavy lifts like squats and deadlifts. You won't need any equipment for this exercise. Begin standing with a tall posture and your feet hip-width apart. Push your hips back and bend your knees to come into a shallow squat with your hands resting on your thighs and your back straight. To begin the exercise, take a deep breath, and as you exhale, tuck your chin and your hips towards each other to round your spine for the standing cat pose. You should feel your abdominals engaged here and your back stretching. Then, as you inhale, lift your eyes and push your hips back to arch your back in the opposite direction for the standing cow pose. You should feel your abdominals stretching and your back muscles fired up here. Continue to breathe and continue to arch your back up and down for the recommended number of repetitions in your training program. Give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more trainer tips and exercise tutorials.